Also note that the possessive adjective whose is the possessive form of who, like his is the possessive form of he. How to use who? You must be aware of the contractions such as his, your, or she's, aren't you? Yes, you are. When you expand the contractions, you come to know that his is the contracted form of he is, your is of you are, and she's is of she is. In a similar fashion, whose is the contracted form of either who is, as in who's there in the room, or who has, as in who's done this. Here are a few examples of whose. 1. Who's there at the door? 2. Who's done this? Example 1 contains whose, which is the contracted form of who is. Here, who acts as the subject of the linking verb is. Example 2 contains whose, which is the contracted form of who has. Here, who acts as the subject of the auxiliary verb has.